Now coming to next lecture, frequency measurement, right? In previous lecture we have seen different measurements such as impedance, right? Impedance we have seen, spectrum analyzer we have seen, and another one is network analyzer we have seen, and measurement of S parameters we have seen, right? Now coming to next type of measurement is frequency measurement, right? Now this frequency measurement is a simple topic under your microwave measurements, right? Now this frequency measurement, the name itself indicates frequency, right? Now this measurement is used to measure the microwave frequency, right? This particular measurement is used to measure the microwave frequency, and this can be either electronic type. We have two different types of techniques for measuring the frequency. One is electronic technique and another one is mechanical technique. These are the two different techniques through which you can measure the microwave frequency, right? Frequency measurement, the name itself indicates we are measuring the parameter frequency, right? Now that frequency is your microwave frequency. We are using two different methods. One is electronic technique and another one is mechanical technique. Now these two techniques are used to measure the frequency, right? Now let us see electronic technique first. Mechanical technique is nothing but your frequency meter through which you can measure the frequency, right? Now the important one is their electronic technique, right? Now this is the block diagram, right? This is the setup bench in order to measure the frequency using electronic technique, and the mechanical technique is nothing but using your frequency meter, right? Now let us see the electronic technique, right? Now it contains a low frequency signal generator. First block is your low frequency signal generator. Now what it will do, it will generate a signal with frequency Fc, right? Now it will generate a frequency signal with frequency Fc, and that is known to us, right? Initially first block is low frequency signal generator. Now it will generate a signal with frequency Fc, and that is known, right? Now this Fc is given as input to your harmonic generator, the harmonic generator, right? Now here low frequency generator along with harmonic generator, right? Low frequency signal is nothing but your signal with frequency Fc. Now this Fc along with harmonic generator will give a actual signal, with a known value of frequency. Now that is nothing but NFC, where n is the integer, right? Now where n is the integer, Fc you are giving as input to your harmonic generator. Now that harmonic generator will give you the actual signal with a known value of frequency, that is NFC. Now NFC is given as input to your mixture, right? Input to your mixture. As I have said in the previous lecture, right, mixture it is used either to up convert the signal or down convert the signal. Up conversion is nothing but here inputs to your mixture are 2, right? Here inputs to your mixture are 2 inputs, right? Now using that 2 inputs, either you can up convert the signal. Up conversion means addition of these two signals, right? Down conversion means difference of those two signals, right? Now we are going for down conversion of signal, right? Now input to your signal is NFC, which is known to us, and another input we are giving to mixture is unknown frequency, right? Another input to your mixture, which is the unknown value of the frequency of the signal, right? Now what is the output of the mixture? That you will get it as intermediate frequency, right? Now here we are using the concept of down conversion, right? Here we are using the concept of down conversion, that is NFC minus F unknown. Now using this formula you can find out the unknown frequency of a signal, right? Now this is about the frequency measurement, right? This is how we can find the unknown, right? Now let me briefly explain again. We have seen different types of measurements in previous lecture, and coming to next type of measurement, that is frequency measurement. Here we will measure the microwave frequencies. Now there are two techniques through which you can measure the microwave frequencies. One is electronic technique and another one is mechanical technique, right? Now the mechanical technique is nothing but your frequency meter through which you are measuring the, directly we can get the frequency, right? Now let us see the electronic technique, right? Now this is the block diagram for your electronic technique frequency measurement. First first block is low frequency signal generator. Now it will generate a signal with frequency fc, which is no, right? Now that is given as input to your harmonic generator. Now this fc along with harmonic generator will give you the actual signal with frequency NFC, right? And this value is also no, right? Now one input to your mixture is this one, and another input to your mixture is the signal, unknown signal frequency. Whatever the frequency that we want to measure is given as another input to your mixture, right? Now as you know, the operation of the mixture is either to up convert the signal or down convert the signal. Up conversion is nothing but addition of those two signals, and down conversion is nothing but difference of those two signals, right? And the output of the mixture we call it as intermediate frequency. Now here we are using the concept of down conversion, which you will get it as NFC minus F unknown. Now using this formula, we can find out the unknown frequency.